Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video in Minecraft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy cactus farm in Minecraft. So now I'm going to show you how to build this and what you need. You're going to need 2 water buckets, 8 cactus, 8 sand, 8 dirt, 7 hoppers, 2 chests, 7 oak fences, and a stack of indie blocks. I forgot to mention that I'm joined by my sister Annabelle, not in this world, but she is here with me.
Hi!
So she's here, but you're going to want to start off with making a 1x5 block pit, and then just going to want to extend this over. After you've made your 1x5, you're going to make it by you're going to make it 7x5, and then you're just going to want to probably make an infinite water source if you're in survival mode. But then you're just going to want to fill all of the edges in with water so that it, and then if you know you're doing this right, if it all feeds in and there's a little 1 block gap right here. Okay, now that you have made the water going in, you're going to want to make a pit down, and then you're probably going to want to put your chest there, like so, and then you're just going to want to put a hopper right here. And then you're going to want to put one facing into it and another facing into it. Then you're just going to want to have a bunch of hoppers all facing into the middle, like so. Now all of the cactus will be picked up. Then you're going to want to take this block right here and go 2 up. Then you're going to take this block right here and go 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, and 2 up. Then going to want to break all of these blocks at the bottom, like so. Now that you have placed down your dirt little cross thing, you're going to want to just place all of these with sand. Now that you've placed down your fences, you're going to want to place cactuses, not a cactus, but cacti, and all of these, and then you have a farm. Once you have placed down all your cactuses, your farm is basically done, but you can put a little barrier around. That is why you might want your 64 blocks so the cactus just don't get stuck, or you can just make this 1 block bigger, but I suggest just making a barrier right here because it's the easiest. And then to prevent mob spawns in here, you're probably going to want torches because that happens a lot, or whatever your lighting source is. You might want some light though, just because it helps. Cactuses grow. So that is how you make an easy cactus farm in Minecraft, and it is pretty efficient. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd be so kind to check out the tutorial about here, over there, and subscribe about here, and go check out my sister's channel, Annabelle Plays, and thank you for watching.
I make the bell button and hit the bell button and subscribe to my mother's channel and make sure to hit the bell button and hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, let's go! Thanks!
Okay, thank you for watching, and bye.